What's goody? It's your girl Tasty B Chemo. We found out this video. Hey. Here we go.
Slob on my knob, like corn on the cob. Check in with me and do your job. Lay on the bed and give me head. Don't have to ask, don't have to beg. Juicy is my name, sex is my game. Let's call the boys, let's run a train. Squeeze on my nuts, lick on my butt. And that's your curly hair, please don't touch. First find a mate, second find a plate, third find a bag to have the whole real name over. I said bend over, I started to knock, then came the order. Smelled like mush, should had a rush. Told her to stop and take a ditch. Once she did that, I didn't want the cat, so I bounced out and never came back.
How you do it? How they do it? I don't know how they do it.
My nigga deep magic, said he hit the habit. I said just forget it, it's too crowded. Know a little freak in Hollywood, sucks on dick, does it real good. She'll give you money, fill up your tummy. House full of kids, parents all sparky. Once had her down, backyard ground. Hit it from the back, enjoy the sound. Name on the cover, always used to rubber till I got caught fucking with a mother. She bringing on me, we fought in the street. She pulled out a knife, so I had to sleep. Called up the boys, went to her house, charged the whole place, threw the bitch out. Police busted in, where the niggas at? We left just in time and never came back. Broke through the hood, wiping at the face, sniffing off the rocks and smoking off the gates. Made another stop, police station, saw a few cops, drove by a sprayer, like the tag number. A nigga said he saw, bogus all the time, never get. Slob on my cat.
Hey, I know that was coming.
Check in with me and do that. We are such a freak. I know you from the street. My nigga heard his feet and said you true as me. They call you Little Red, the one who saw those head and drinks a nigga's nut until you well in bed. The same way you stuck out. I creep to it.
I know that was coming. I said one mouth, no soap. There you go. That was it. Tasty B, hit me up on Twitter at she's bad. Bad is all in caps _ Tasty B. Mine said OMG _ I hate you. She hates you. Who is you? I don't know, but she hates you. Yes, I do. Oh, follow me though. Follow it. I might follow you back. I'm addicted to Twitter. You'll get I will fill up your what's it called? I will fill up that timeline. I will fill up your timeline. Doses.